You invested in the best, a Breg Polar Care System, but the true power of your recovery is in the pads, the part that touches your body and targets the pain. Over time, pads endure wear and tear, compromising hygiene and even water flow, and sometimes your recovery area moves. For optimal relief and coverage, a fresh pad is essential. Unlock total body relief with genuine Breg Polar Care replacement pads. We offer 14 specialized pad options, ensuring you have the exact tool for every stage of your recovery journey. Whether you need to target a post-op knee, soothe a strained ankle, or manage chronic back pain, there is a precision-fit Breg pad for the job. These pads are anatomically contoured to deliver direct, effective cold therapy. No more slipping. No more cold spots. Best of all, these pads are universally compatible with the Breg Polar Care Cube, Glacier, and Cub units, offering seamless integration and long-term value for your investment. Don't let inadequate coverage or old equipment compromise your healing. Renew your therapy and expand your machine's potential with genuine Breg replacement pads. Find your perfect fit today. Visit our site to explore all 14 options.